Let's go over whether resetting AirPods removes them from your iCloud. Now, if you're selling or giving away your AirPods and you want to check to see if resetting these AirPods will remove them from the iCloud or the device on your iPhone, basically the Find My app, all of that stuff. I'll show you the process. I'll walk you through an example where I basically reset these AirPods and we'll check on the Find My app to see if they're still on the iCloud. So the first thing I'm going to do is open them up. And you'll be able to see on my phone here is Trevor's AirPods Pro. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reset them just by tapping it and holding the button at the very back. You can see it'll switch to white and then eventually it'll flash amber after about 10 or 15 seconds. So keep holding it until it flashes amber. And once that does happen, there we go. Now it starts to flash amber. Then these AirPods have been factory reset. So now what I can do is I can hop into the Find My app here, and you can see AirPods Pro. I can tap on that. The key here is if you tap on these AirPods, which I don't know why it thinks they're outside of the case. Oh, because they're not connected. Basically, what you can do is tap on them and it won't show you the location anymore. So you'll see that they are still on my iCloud. I can still see them, basically, that they are on this list, but I won't be able to track the exact location of them. I won't be able to find them after they've been reset. So unfortunately, if they go through this process, then basically you won't be able to find them. Or if you're selling them, I recommend on here, basically you can just remove them from the Find My app after you've gone through the process of the factory reset. If you're giving them away, selling them, anything like that. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.